All right, if you would like to add a password to an album in Pixieset, this is how you would do that. You would navigate to the album you'd like to add the password to, go to Settings, Privacy, and add the password here. So you can make up your own, or you can hit Generate. You just have to be sure to let your clients know that there is a password on their album. That way they can view it. So when you click Share, it'll give you the option to share the password and the PIN, which this is what it will look like if there is a password on an album. Like that. And then you would copy the password and it would be in their email. That way people can only view the album with the password. And then when they go to download the collection, they would add that PIN that's in the email as well. Hope this was helpful. All right, I'll catch you in the next one.